Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Shafiqur Rahman. I am giving a talk on the topic of Smart Pakistan. Here, Smart Pakistan means a corruption free Pakistan. Now, the question is how to build Smart Pakistan. This question looks simple, but it is not. If we see, Pakistan has so many resources, talented people, the best weather in the world. But on the other hand, we also have so many problems. And the biggest problem is corruption. And to handle the corruption, everyone has to contribute, have to struggle for Pakistan. This is not a one man show. I especially came from Germany to contribute something to Pakistan. But when I was planning to move to Pakistan, my friends and other relatives told me that I'm making a big mistake because Pakistan has so many problems, no system, no justice, no honesty, there is a bribery everywhere, no good education, no good healthcare system, etc. But I was stuck to my aim that I have to move and transfer my knowledge so that I can contribute to do something to Pakistan and to build smart Pakistan. Therefore, I prepared this talk for which we will see how to control the corruption. So, in my next slide, if we see in this slide, corruption is a big problem. And to handle the corruption, we can solve through technology, which is CPS. CPS is cyber physical system. Nowadays, we easily trust on technology, but we don't trust on human because technology cannot lie, but a human lie. That's the main reason we trust on technology. And of course, we can solve many problems through the use of technology, which is reliable, secure, effective, and efficient. So, corruption becomes very smart. It starts from low level, from clerk to a high level to the chairman. In simple words, corruption is a misuse of power. And corruption is not only about bribes. People, especially the poor, get hurt when resources are wasted. That's why it is so important to understand the different kinds of corruption to develop smart Pakistan. So, technology is important because you feel more secure with every area in life for both personal and business reasons. Why corruption become easy? There are so many factors, but one factor is that we do not implement the technology. If we properly implement the technology in our system, then I assure you that we can easily control the corruption. In this regard, we need better technology, which is effective, cost efficient, and definitely it reduces cybercrime risk. The technology which will use it is cyber physical systems. Now, what is cyber physical systems? Cyber physical systems are system of systems that merge the physical world with the world of information processing. Cyber physical systems are usually composed of three layers: the physical layer, the network layer, and the application layer. The physical layer consists of sensors, actuators, gateways, sync node, along with other components. And they are tightly coupled with each other and integrated with physical processes and computing. Cyber physical systems include huge, complex systems like power grid, management of transportation, smart cities, smart building. The environment is different and more complex as cyber physical systems automatically adopt the current environment according to their situation, which create the complexity of heterogeneous components. Typically, they have large infrastructure and operate in a distributed environment. Most of these systems operate in a real environment and a network connected for remote monitoring and controlling. If we take the example of traffic control system in Karachi, first sorry to say that there is no traffic control system and this system is totally collapsed. For example, a person who is about to get fined rupees 1000 for violating a traffic signals will without hesitations give a bribe of rupees 200 or even 300 400 to the traffic police in order to get free, and the policeman will happily accept it too. I remember in Germany, just for breaking signal I was fined 90 euro, which is around 15,000 rupees. And in 90 euro we can easily do grocery for whole house for about 1 week. So you can imagine the pain in paying back this fine. But if we properly implement the cyber physical system, then no one get out from this system, because through technology they can get their fine at their doorstep. Furthermore, there are a lot of advantages. For example, reduce congestions, make the road safer, which also reduce the chance of accidents. It also provides data for further improve transportations, decrease pollution and reduce crime and bribery. I take another example of smart car parking system. So to implement cyber physical system, we can increase security to prevent theft of vehicles, reduce fuel wastage, save time, and reduce stress while searching a parking. To make smart Pakistan, cyber physical system can be applied in any field to make smart industry, smart energy, smart health, smart mobility, smart retail, and smart governance. Here, we can also implement on smart people. Smart people means a corruption-free people. If we see the Western countries, especially Germany and Japan, why they are developed and technologically advanced? Because they are smart. They do not misuse the technology. They are honest, they do their work on time, well planned, and well managed. These things are not difficult. Being a Muslim, we must have these qualities. But it is very unfortunate that we are not doing good practices. Remember, the first thing is to be honest with yourself. You can never have a great impact on the society if you have not changed yourself. Another factor to become smart people in your lives to have humanity. And humanity is one of the most important factor which everyone must have. The thing is that we forgot that we have limited time to stay in this world. We must try and use this period for the determination to transfer the knowledge to our country. But again, it is very unfortunate that we are doing everything for money, no matter how it comes. Remember, if you don't earn halal money, then this money has a very negative and bad impact on your family, your children, and also in the society. So, if I conclude my lecture, I must say that Pakistan is a beautiful country and become very soon a smart country if we properly implement the technology. Furthermore, cyber physical system has a huge impact on world economy. The applications of cyber physical system are very large, like traffic control systems, digital health system, and aeronautics as well. And through cyber physical system we can easily control corruptions, because corrupted people will not find the gap to this technology. As I said, this is not a one person effort. Everyone has to make their effort, and together we will build smart Pakistan. This is just a small introduction to cyber physical systems. However, if you have any questions for the development and using a cyber physical system, then kindly do not hesitate to ask me on my following email address. I will deliver my next lecture on the topic of building secure system for IoT, for cyber physical system, and industrial approach for cyber physical systems. Thank you for your listening.